Hi Joe, I'm going to show you how to access your Math 092-94 course with that course ID I gave you. Go ahead and go into My Blackhawk and log in to Canvas. You'll have to enter in your username and password. Once you're in Canvas, it's showing all my fall semester courses, and I'm not teaching Math 092-94 this fall. So I'm going to go to just one of my random courses just so I can kind of demo what you're going to do. But you're going to go to your Math 092-94 course. Okay, what you'll need to do is scroll down towards the bottom of the page and you'll see there's a settings option on the far left. Go ahead and click on that. And then go back up here to the top menu and click on navigation. There's a My Lab and Mastering tab that's currently hidden. And we're going to drag it up and then save this. That way it's going to show up here on the far left. Okay, so there's the My Lab and Mastering. Go ahead and click on that. And now you can just click Get Started. And down here, so you were given, I emailed you my course ID. It was my last name followed by those 5 digits. So you're going to need to type in Mansheim 64464. Mansheim's all in lowercase. And then once you enter that in and click this search icon, you're going to find my course. And then you're going to be off and running. You can select that course. You'll probably be asked to set up username, password, agree to some terms and conditions, and some other general information. If you have any issues with that setup, feel free to message me, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks, Joe. Talk to you soon.